To connect Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro into your Samsung phone, first of all, what you have to do is just to open the settings, go for connections, and make sure that you are gonna enable Bluetooth. Now, you will have to grab your buds. You have to make sure that both of them are inside a charging case and that you have opened this cover. Now, we got the green indicator, but we have to change it for 3 different colors. So on the back, there's the button. You have to click and hold this button and wait until this indicator on the front starts blinking with the 3 different colors. So it's red, green, blue, red, green, blue. And now you can release. And then when you open the Bluetooth on your Samsung phone, you should find your Buds 4 Pro. So you can just click on them once, wait for a pairing, accept this. And now when we will be connected, you don't have to download any application. You have to just accept that user license agreement and click more, click agree again. There we go. And right now we can find short tutorial. And when you click on its settings icon after this notification disappear, you can get access into all of those settings. So you don't have to download the Galaxy wearable application on Samsung phone.